How well you doing? A very warm good morning to everyone, respected principals, sir, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Chalana on behalf of Standard 10, welcoming you all to today's morning assembly. Let's start our assembly with DAV Garden.
School, attention! Ready for DAV gun. Join your hands and close your eyes.
A place is a way to make us aware of our duties. So, I request you to lead us with the place.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
To present the 10 principles of Arya Samaj, I would like to call
10 Principle of Arya Samaj. Principle number 5. One should do everything according to decided of Dharma after due reflection over right and wrong. Principle number 6. Doing good to all world is the primary objective of society to look its physical, spiritual and social welfare. Thank you.
thoughts in the morning works like fuel which keeps us smiling and encouraging throughout the day. So to present today's thought, here comes
A warm good morning to all of you. Today's thought of the day is only those who can dare to fail greatly can ever achieve greatly. I repeat, only those who can dare to fail greatly can ever achieve greatly. Thank you.
School, attention! Ready for prayer song.
In
ourselves every day is good and never-ending habit. Enlighten us with today's news headlines.
Good morning everyone. I am Uttam Prakash Saxena presenting today's news headline. Haryana government extends COVID restriction till February 10. Students union call Bihar Bandh on January 28. Jammu Kashmir Srinagar highway closed due to landslide in Ramban. Congress leader RPN Singh joined BJP. Union budget to be presented on February 1 at 11 am. That's all. Thank you.
Now, I would like to deliver today's fact file.
File are Republic Day. Fact number 1. Every year Indians celebrate its Republic Day on 26th January. Fact number 2. It is the national festival of India. Fact number 3. On this day in 1950, our constitution come into effect. Fact number 4. This year in 2022, we celebrated 73 Republic Day of India. Fact number 5. On 26 January, the President of India hosted the national flag in New Delhi. Fact number 6. It is the first time when Republic Day celebration will be very short and simple due to pandemic situation. Fact number 7. A big parade is held at Indian Gate in New Delhi. Fact number 8. Republic Day is celebrated in school and colleges with full institution and drill. Fact number 9. The President gave award to the brave soldiers and people on this day. Fact number 10. The Republic Day teaches us to live in unity and peace. Thank you.
Words are not only the vehicles in which thoughts are delivered, they are part of thinking. So, to present today's word, here comes.
Good morning to all. Today's word is dermatitis. Its meaning is inflammation of the skin may develop blisters. Its spelling is DERMATITIS. Thank you.
School, attention! Ready for national anthem.
Don't be afraid to fail. It's proof you will soon be successful. With this, I would like to conclude today's assembly. Have a nice day. Thank you.
School, stand it is. Assembly dispersed.